we're doing another Quick Bites with Katie George and continuing that look in our garden.
What are we doing with all this extra produce in our garden? And I have a trick for you for the zucchinis that keep coming out of anywhere, right? Yeah. Anybody who gardens can probably relate to the, oh my gosh, I have so many zucchinis, I don't know what to do with it, I can't make any more bread out of this. And so there's way more fun things that you can do. Yeah. So we're just gonna take a basic zucchini today, and you know, I understand gardening and zucchinis, and sometimes you go out there and they are enormous. For this recipe, we would like a little bit smaller zucchinis, so I always try to cut the tops and the bottoms off of this. And then what we're doing for this is we're just simply cutting it into coins. And so you want to try to make the zucchini as even as possible, so about 1/2 inch is what you're going to do. And then from here, you're going to take your zucchini and we're just going to line a sheet pan or just a pan that you can throw in the oven. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to make mini pizzas out of these. These are super quick, 5 minutes to make. We are going to use some squeezable pizza sauce. And so just, I know, I mean, seriously. And it is just a little dab across. You don't even need to get a spoon dirty to spread it around. Yeah. Just a dab here and a dab there. And we're just gonna do that. And then from here, you get to choose your pizza toppings. So some people like veggie pizzas. And if you like veggie pizzas, take some of those peppers from your garden that you don't know what to do with, right? No. And we're gonna throw the peppers on some of these. I know not everybody loves peppers. If you are using the zucchini that is a little bit littler, you may want to use some mini pepperonis. We're using some mini turkey pepperonis. And we are really just being messy here, and that is okay because it's fine.
Yeah.
So we're going to take some of those mini pepperonis and spread that around, and then from here you're going to take some cheese, and I like to use both mozzarella and Parmesan. Ooh. And again, no need to be clean. We're just going to spread that around. And great way to use lots of different produce items. We're going to use some Parmesan cheese as well. This is a lower carbohydrate recipe, so anybody that is maybe looking to be on a little bit lower carbohydrate side, this is going to be a great low carb recipe and a great way to just incorporate some additional veggies into your diet. And then you simply pop this in the oven, probably 400 degrees for just like 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. Really super easy and super quick, and can have a little side item, it can be a main dish, it can be whatever, but it is a great way to just add some produce to your diet.
Maybe a way to get the kids to eat it. It's pizza, and it's fine.
I know, my kids love pizza. Zucchini pizza, they'll give it a thumbs up. So,
all right, they've got the approval.
Yes.
Thank you.
You bet.
We'll be right back.